Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is how to conduct a journalistic interview. One of the hardest skills for a young reporter to master is interviewing. It takes preparation and persistence to conduct a good interview. Follow these steps and learn how to interview like a pro. Step 1. Research, and research. Then research some more. The only way to come up with good questions is to know everything there is to know about your subject. Step 2. Contact the person you wish to interview. Ask when a good time would be to do the interview. Be polite. Say please and thank you. Try to set up the interview in person. If this isn't possible, then set up a phone interview. Step 3. Read over your research and brainstorm a list of 15 questions. The more specific your questions are, the better. And never ask questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no. Make your interview talk. Be sure to write all your questions down in a notebook. Then practice asking them with a partner. Become very familiar with your questions before you go into the interview. Step 4. Come prepared. You will want to bring a pencil, a notebook, a list of good questions, a recording device. Step 5. Be on time. Arrive at your interview with plenty of time to spare if you are never been to the place where your interview is taking place. So early and scout is out. There is nothing more unprofessional than a reporter who is late. Thank you.